First, download the Meshtastic app, available for both Android and iOS devices. After opening the app, you will see both devices listed. Select the Wio Tracker L1 and enter the pairing code displayed on the device screen to connect. Next, connect to the Meshtastic LoRa kit and enter the default passkey, 123456. Select your country or region, complete the setup, and connect the device. Now everything is ready, and both modules are synchronized. Let's see how this system can be used as a real-life trekking and off-grid communication device. First, connect the LoRa kit to a power adapter. This will act as the receiver station. For demonstration purposes, I have enabled airplane mode on my phone so you can clearly see that no cellular network or internet connection is being used. After connecting the phone to the Meshtastic network, we are ready to communicate. Now I can send messages between the Wio Tracker L1 and my phone without Wi-Fi, mobile data, or even a SIM card. You can also create and send custom messages directly through the app. Thanks to LoRa technology, the communication range can be very impressive, reaching several kilometers and, in ideal conditions, even 10 kilometers or more. The system also allows you to track the live location of the Wio Tracker L1 on your phone. It displays position information, direction, distance, and other useful navigation details. The Wio tracker itself can show important information such as GPS status, compass data, and device information. This makes it a very useful solution for trekking, hiking, camping, outdoor adventures, and emergency communication where mobile networks or internet access may not be available. With Meshtastic and LoRa technology, staying connected in remote areas becomes simple, reliable, and completely independent of traditional communication networks. If you're trekking, camping, or traveling in areas with no mobile signal, this device can be very helpful. Using LoRa communication, you can send messages, share your location, and stay connected without a SIM card, Wi-Fi, or internet. In an emergency, others can easily find your location, making outdoor adventures safer and more reliable. Finally, thanks to Seat Studio for this amazing Meshtastic kit. One of the best features is how easy it is to get started. You can even upload custom firmware using the Meshtastic web flasher directly from your browser in just a few simple steps.